Guys, I want to show you a really cool product from Trim-Tex. Now let me show you how to install the Magic Corner. And what makes it magic is that there's a flange in the middle that allows it to flex, which means it will not crack. So by using a product like this, you're essentially ensuring that when the house moves, your corner beads won't crack. When are you going to use this? Well, it's great for a couple of things. Because it's flexible, it means it can be used on a wide variety of corner angles. Old houses rarely are a perfect 90s, so that's great. For long runs, where the longer the span, the more likely it is going to be to shift and crack. This product flexes, and it comes in a gigantic roll, so you can get one piece out of it. You're not stuck with 8-foot, 10-foot, 12-foot pieces. You can run a whole bead without an interruption. So there's a lot of reasons to use the Magic Corner. Now let me show you how to install the Magic Corner. So along with a roll of the Magic Corner bead, you're also given this wand. What is this? Well, I'll show you. So to install this bead, you need two things. You need spray adhesive and you also need staples. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna spray the back side of this bead with the adhesive. And then when that's covered, you're gonna spray the wall with adhesive. You're gonna wait for a few seconds so that glue can tack up a little bit. And then you're gonna stick the bead in place. Now, normally at this point, you wanna make sure that it's nice and level, but on the 90-degree corner, that's kind of already set for you. So we're not gonna go through that step here. You're gonna press it into place and you're gonna slide it down, pushing into the corner to make sure it's sitting where you want it to. Then when it's in place, we're gonna tack it in place with some staples, make sure it doesn't move at all, and then we're gonna show you how to mud it. Let's get to it. Okay, so it's been glued and stapled. This thing is stuck, and like magic, this little flexible flange will mean that that corner never cracks. So it's straight, it's rigid, it's flexible, it won't crack. It's magic. Is that there's this built-in mud lip here. As I'm filling with mud, my trowel gets to ride this top edge, and it essentially puts on the perfect amount of mud. And then, before it dries, I'm going to come back with my wand and use this end to clear all the mud out of that flange. I'll show you. Okay, so our first coat, we've got our mud on. You'll notice there's still quite a bit of mud in this flexible section here. So we gotta make sure we remove all that so that area remains flexible. And to do that, we're gonna use our wand. So the flip side of the wand is designed specifically to clear the mud from this section. So it's mudded in once. We're gonna mud that 1-2 more times, sand it back, cover it with a coat of paint. It's good as new, and it won't crack, so it stays as good as new. It's almost like it's magic. Nah, lame. So what we're gonna use is, sorry, hang on 1 second. Hi, that's gonna be delicious. Pizza's here. Just kidding. This is the Magic Corner. Isn't it beautiful?